Hi, today we are going to learn about finding zeros of a polynomial. Let's look at a problem. Find the zeros. Y is equal to 2 times x plus 1 whole square times negative x plus 1. Now whenever we need to find the zeros, we need to put y equals to 0. This means 2 times x plus 1 squared times negative x plus 1 is 0. Since 2 cannot be equal to 0, this implies x plus 1 squared times negative x plus 1 is 0. Now in algebra we have AB equals 0, so either A is 0 or B is 0. So this implies either x plus 1 whole square is 0 or negative x plus 1 is 0. When a square is equal to 0, then a is also 0. So this implies x plus 1 is 0 or negative x plus 1 is 0. Subtracting 1 both sides, here also 1 and 1 strikes out, 1 and 1 strikes out. X is equal to negative 1, or we have negative x is equal to negative 1. You can divide by negative 1 both sides. This implies x is equal to 1. So the zeros of this function becomes x is equal to 1 and negative 1, which is the answer in the B part. Next problem. Find the zeros. Y is equal to negative 3 times x plus 1 times 2x minus 5 times x plus 1 whole square. Y is equal to 0 implies negative 3 times x plus 1 times 2x minus 5 times x plus 1 squared is 0. This implies negative 3 is not 0, so x plus 1 times 2x minus 5 times x plus 1 whole square is 0. This implies either x plus 1 is 0 or 2x minus 5 is 0 or x plus 1 whole square is 0. X plus 1 0. Subtracting 1 both sides, 1 and 1 strikes out. X is equal to negative 1. 2x minus 5 is 0. Adding 5 both sides. 2x is equal to 5. Dividing by 2. X is equal to 5 by 2. X plus 1 squared is 0. Implies x plus 1 is 0. Implies x is equal to negative 1. So we can say x is equal to negative 1 comma 5 by 2 are the zeros, which is the answer in the C part. Next problem. Find the zeros. Y is equal to negative of x plus 1 squared times negative 4x plus 1 times x plus 1 squared times negative 4x squared. Y is equal to 0 implies this negative I can write it as negative 1 as well. Negative 1 times x plus 1 whole square times negative 4x plus 1 times x plus 1 squared times negative 4x squared is 0. Negative 1 is not 0. So this implies x plus 1 whole square times negative 4x plus 1 times x plus 1 squared times negative 4x whole square is equal to 0. X plus 1 whole square is a repeated factor. I can say x plus 1 raised to the power 4 times negative 4x plus 1 times negative 4x square is equal to 0. We could say this is to the power 4 because by the law of exponents, x to the power a times y x to the power b is equal to x to the power a plus b. So this implies either x plus 1 raised to the power 4 is 0 or negative 4x plus 1 is 0 or negative 4x squared is 0. x plus 1 raised to the power 4 equals 0 means x plus 1 is 0, or we can say x is equal to negative 1. Negative 4x plus 1 equals 0 means negative 4x is equal to minus 1, or x is equal to 1 by 4 dividing by negative 4 both sides. Negative 4x square is equal to 0 implies negative 4x equals 0, implies x is equal to 0 dividing by negative 4 both sides. So we can say x is equal to 0, negative 1, 1 by 4, which is the answer I see in the D part. I hope you can practice more problems on finding zeros of a polynomial now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.